This here is the area we call Assembly, Test, and Prepare, or ATP. It is a section of our facility where we pre-build and test all of our rack systems. I'm going to come over here and introduce you to Kevin Laudo, who is in charge of technical operations. And Kevin is currently overseeing this effort. Hello, Kevin.
Hello, Nick. How are you today?
Good. Can you just tell us briefly, Kevin, what you do here and what effort you're overseeing at this point?
Currently, I'm pre-building the racks for the learner job, which means putting them together as much in the shop and testing them as we possibly can before they get to site.
And by putting them together, what does that mean? Are you actually putting cables in them, or?
We populate the racks, we patch them all up with cables, and we actually, you'll notice back here, have cutouts to put the touch panels and keypads in the wall or in the board, and then we can fully test it as if it was on site.
I see. And then are you hooking that up to these racks right over here?
We will indeed. We'll power them all up. We'll even get the satellite boxes working, the XM tuners working, and that way it'll be fully tested and we'll know if there are any issues before it goes to site.
And these racks are actually carried to the job site?
Correct. We'll probably take out some of the heavier objects so that they're easier to lift, but basically they go in fully populated and wired.
And do you ever have any difficulties with this effort?
Sometimes we do. Sometimes it's difficult to figure out exactly what you need to test, to anticipate what you might need to think about, what the client might find on site. And every time, the most important thing is every time we do make a mistake, we add that mistake into our process so that we catch it next time.
Excellent. And what is the biggest benefit of doing this pre-assembly effort?
The biggest benefit is if you find an issue, you're here at the shop where all your tools and materials are, and so you don't have to call back in or figure out some way logistically to get it done on site. Plus, the client doesn't see it.
Understood. Well, excellent, Kevin. Thank you very much. I'll let you get back to your good work.
Well, thank you.